Hey guys, Matthew here. So the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra have been announced last week, and along with that they announced the Galaxy Watch 3 and the Galaxy Buds Live, also known as the Galaxy, I guess, kidneys, because people say they look like kidneys, and I call them musical beans because they look like beans. And so I went and I traded a fattened cow that I had back at home, and I traded them for a pair of musical beans. So let's just see how these are. We'll go ahead and just do a quick unboxing and walkthrough of these, so stay tuned. Okay, so here are the Galaxy Buds Live. As you can see, I've got the Mystic Black, but these also come in a Mystic Bronze and a Mystic White, I believe. These should have Bluetooth 5.0 and quick pairing with your Galaxy phone, but it also pairs just like normal with your Android phone and your iPhone if you have one of those. So we'll go ahead and unbox this. So let's get that knife. Do a quick cut here. There we go. And then a quick cut up top here. There we go. And we'll put that up. Okay. So and here they are. The first thing you're greeted with is the buds themselves. So we'll take this out and put it kind of to the side. And then the next thing is if you have this right here, and we will take this out. And you have your USB-A to USB-C cord right here. It's nice that they include it, however, it's not essential because if you have any other like Android device or anything like that, you probably have a USB-C cable. But also these Galaxy Buds Live charge via wirelessly as well, and so it's not necessary that you have to have the USB-C cord if you have a wireless charger. Okay, so we'll take the box and put it to the side, and then also included in this smaller box are two kind of ear tips, but not really ear tips. I guess they're ear wings somewhat. I'm not sure exactly what they call them, but they include them already installed in the Galaxy Buds is another set of these, so there's two sets. So okay, and then in the lid of the box is another kind of thing here. And we'll go ahead and take this out. We'll toss that. And it's just a quick start guide for you in case you want that. Just how to use your earbuds, how to connect, stuff like that. So that's cool. We'll not worry about that. And then you have the Galaxy Buds themselves. So we'll take this off. And here they are. Here is the case itself, along with the ear tips or whatever you call them, and then the cord. So this is all that comes in the box for your Galaxy Buds Live. Okay, so quick comparison, because I know when I was trying to see if I wanted to go ahead and get these, I was like, well, are they smaller, are they larger, at least the case wise, than like the AirPods, AirPod Pros, the Galaxy Buds Plus, and the Google Pixel Buds. And so I'm just going to do a quick comparison of them. We have the Galaxy Buds here, or Galaxy Buds Live here, and then we have the AirPod Pros here. As you can see, the case is kind of smaller when it comes to lengthwise. It's about the same size when it comes to height-wise. However, when it comes to thickness, the case is slightly larger when it comes to thickness. So that's the AirPod Pros case. Here's the Galaxy Buds Plus case. It's, as you can see, there's the difference, but and then there's that as well. So, but it's more of a square design rather than a pill-shaped design, so that's cool. And then here's the Google Pixel Buds case. As you can see, it's very similar to the AirPod Pros, where this case is a little bit, it's taller rather than longer, but it is probably about the same size when it comes to width, and then of course the thickness of the case right there. And then just for kicks, let's go with like the original AirPod case that started the whole true wireless war, I guess you could call it. And as you can see, it's very similar in size when it comes to the length, width, and all that. However, when it comes to thickness, the AirPods original case goes ahead and takes it for that. But the original was the OG kind of. So we'll go ahead and open this up. And here are the Galaxy Buds Live right here. We'll go ahead and take them out. And here they are. These are nice little bean shaped or kidney shaped, whatever you want to call it. I joke around, I said I traded a cow for some beans, but anyways. And then there's this nice little kind of almost like magnets right here that kind of set them in place. So that's nice as well. You also have an LED light right up here that tells you the status of your buds themselves. And then you have a right and a left indicator right here. And you have your charging pins there, and then you have a status here for the case itself as well, just to tell you. Samsung says they wanted to make this look more like a jewelry box. However, I don't quite understand how a jewelry box is this small, but it is what it is. Who knows? So we'll go ahead and take these out, put them here, and on the back you have the kind of the wireless charging right here, and then on the very back, like the back side, you have USB-C input or port right here, so you can charge via USB-C if you don't have a wireless charger. So we'll go ahead and move this to the side. And here are the Galaxy Buds Live. They look pretty nice. They're very small. So let's go ahead and compare again to the OG AirPods right here. As you can see, they are considerably smaller than the OG AirPods, but they do have the same function where they sit more kind of in your ear rather than pushing them in your ear. They kind of sit in that crevice. So move that to the side. And then here are the Google Pixel Buds. We'll go ahead and take these out. They're very similar in size to the Google Pixel Buds, except these are more of an in-ear design rather than an on-ear kind of design, however you want to call it. And there's the ear tips. So. And then the Galaxy Buds Plus, we'll go ahead and do this. And here's the Galaxy Buds Plus. Again, just like the Google Pixel Buds, in-ear versus kind of on-ear or whatever you want to call it, but about the same size. And then let's just go again with the AirPod Pros. Considerably larger, and they don't have the stem that sticks out, which is nice. So. Okay, so these are supposed to have active noise cancellation for open in-ear headphones, which essentially means that it blocks more of the low noise sounds out rather than the high. So for instance, if you're on a train, it's gonna block out the rumble of the train. However, it's not going to block out the speaking of the speaker whenever, like, they say, "Bing, your next stop, St. Paul Station," or something like that. It's going to let you hear that, but it's gonna try to block out the rumbling of the train or bus or whatever you're on. So but that's ANC for open ear, so it's a little different than regular ANC like the AirPod Pros have, but hopefully this will help a lot of people with that. These have 3 mics in them, 1 on the inside of the earpiece and then 2 on the outside on each one, so that should allow for call quality. Samsung has learned from their Galaxy Buds fiasco, and they added a third mic in their Galaxy Buds Plus earbuds, and then they added the third mic for the Galaxy Buds Live earbuds. So that's nice that Samsung has learned from their mistakes and have just improved upon it for that. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the pairing process. So you'll go into your phone and find your Galaxy wearable app. And hopefully this has been updated. With it updated, you can add new devices. So let's add a new device. Let's go ahead and add. And we'll go ahead and just open this up and do Galaxy Buds Live. You have also other things as well. So Galaxy Watch 3 is new as well. So we'll go ahead and press the Galaxy Buds Live, and it's scanning for my device, and here it is. So we'll go ahead and click that. and we'll go ahead and allow and pair. Okay, so we'll install the plugin. If you have a Galaxy phone, you should already have this plugin, I believe. If you don't, you have to install it. Available in the Android phone store. I'm sure it's available in the iPhone iOS store as well. So we'll go back to that now that we have it installed, and we will go ahead and complete the pairing process. So let's go ahead and report. Okay, add. I don't really care about that. Okay, continue. Okay. Oh, and then let's see, Galaxy Buds Live. Yes, allow. And let's go ahead and allow. There we go. Okay, and then how to wear your earbuds. It kind of gives you a quick tutorial on how to do it, left and right, how to put it in your ear. So it suggests going like this and then kind of putting it in rather than like that. So you have to go at an angle instead of just like that. So anyways, got it. And let's see here, and it says we're all set. So now you have all this right here, and it's very similar to the Galaxy Buds Plus, whereas you have your active noise cancellation in both earbuds for active noise cancellation, and then you have your different EQ settings. I tend to like dynamic, but that's just myself. And then you have your touch controls. So these have touch controls just like the Galaxy Buds Plus do, whereas one tap is play and pause, a double tap is next tap or answering or ending a call, the triple tap is previous track, and then your tap and hold, depending on which earbud you have left, have in your ear, it does a different actions. So for instance, like right now, both earbuds will do active noise cancellation, but let's do one does volume down while the other one does volume up, something like that. So I'll just go ahead and do active noise cancellation, and then you can block your touches in case you're like taking a nap or something like that, or you just don't want to have those accidental touches and anything like that. So, and then you can do read notifications aloud, advanced, seamless earbud connection is on, and then of course you have your software update. So there looks like there's a software update, so we'll go ahead and download it real quick. Okay, so now that we have it, we're going to keep the case open, and it's going to go ahead and install the update to the earbuds, and then hopefully they will connect automatically. If they don't, we'll go ahead and connect them. So let's just give it a moment. Okay, there we go. And so we have it to where the earbuds are connected to the device. And so yeah, here is the Galaxy Buds Live right here. Pretty neat, cool little pair of true wireless earbuds. I'll go ahead and use them, test them out, see how they sound, see how they are, and then give me a couple weeks and we'll go ahead and do a review on these, like a quick review on these to see if these are worth the $169.99 that you would pay for these. I do want to stress out that these are $169.99, whereas these are $179.99, whereas these are $159.99. This without the wireless charging case is $159.99. With the wireless charging case, it's $200 or $199.99, but there are sales going on. And then these are $259.99, I believe, but I'm not 100% sure. Maybe $249.99. So out of all of these, besides the original AirPods without the wireless charging case, these and the Galaxy Buds Plus, these are cheaper than the other alternatives. But anyways, okay, well, stay tuned for a review video. Hopefully I'll have that out again in a couple of weeks. But again, just stay tuned for that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Until then, everybody, stay safe.